In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a line break on Wix. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, simply log into your account and navigate to the website that you're currently working on or want to edit. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's dive into the main task at hand. Once you're in your website editor, locate the text area that has the line break you wish to remove. You might notice that sometimes, when inputting text, unintended line breaks appear. This could be due to the size of the text box or perhaps even an accidental extra space or enter key press. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. What you'll need to do is grab the text box by simply clicking and dragging one of those small corner squares. These are often referred to as adjustment handles. As you do this, carefully resize the text box. The goal here is to extend the box in such a way that the text reflows automatically, eliminating unnecessary line breaks once you've got the sizing just right. Gently adjust the box, pulling and adjusting until you've got a seamless, uninterrupted flow of text. As you work, keep an eye out to ensure there are no more unintended line breaks. Remember, the tool here is quite intuitive, so a bit of patience and careful resizing will ensure your text appears just as you want it to. However, let's say you do want to add a line break, perhaps for styling or emphasis. In that case, the process is just as simple, if not more so. You'd click your cursor at the precise spot in your paragraph where you intend to insert a break, then simply press Enter on your keyboard, and voila, you've created a break right where you wanted it. This allows your text to be formatted in a way that matches your creative vision without the constraints of text box size. Once you've got your line breaks, or the lack thereof, looking just how you want them, you might adjust the text box again. But don't worry, this won't affect any line breaks that you've inserted intentionally. The tool lets you manage the text flow smartly, ensuring that your formatting decisions are preserved regardless of further box size adjustments. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully managed line breaks in your Wix website editor. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you feel more empowered to tweak and perfect your text formatting on Wix. Don't hesitate to play around with these features to get comfortable, as practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy editing.